US30 or Dow Jones this week has lost its value. We can see that the week has started with this bullish candle where the prices reached 4449.11, which I have been shared inside Telegram group with the traders, where the price will reach and also what is its target. After the price has reached this area of supply zone, which means a resistance, the price has formed a bearish breakout below this area for 463.53, which was indication for the further decline down. If the price confirms this bearish breakout as a valid one, and that means the next candle should not go above. And this has happened. The price has retraced back up, testing the previous support, now acting as a resistance, and from there the price has formed this bearish candle and then another bearish candle going even further down. So currently we have a bearish candle that has been closed below 43607.44, which means a bearish breakout. And you can see here on the chart, currently I am bearish oriented with the target here at 43264.49. The weekly time frame looks as a bearish candle. After the price has formed a strong bullish candle in the previous week, currently the week has closed as a bearish candle where the price did not reach this area of currently acting as a support. We can see around 43,353. Monthly is still open and we can see it is still a bullish candle format on the chart, where we have much more space for the price to continue to rise in value, but also to lose its value, going all the way to 42,323.14 as a support level. But we have 2 more weeks until this month closes. Currently I'm still more bullish oriented based on this one, how it looks, because this is still bullish candle, but we will see on the lower time frames how this looks. Now the week has formed this bearish candle going below this area. This is currently trend line, which is acting as a resistance for the price, but it was acting as a support in this when this week has started. So the price has formed this bearish breakout below this trend line, which is now acting as a resistance, where the price will try to move further down. But the daily shows me precisely this one, that the price will reach 43,264.49. So this is the target I am waiting for the next week for the price to make it. But if the price returns back up immediately on a Monday, this will be a bearish breakout, failed one, which will be indication of the further rise in value in the opposite direction. That means up. Will that happen? We'll see on a Monday, but for now I am oriented to see the price reaching this support level, and from there we will see what happens then. Will the price make a bearish breakout again, further decline in value, or it will bounce back up, going above and making a bullish breakout above this area of supply zone, which is a resistance at 43,607.44. That's all for today. If you would like to get the daily analysis when this breakout happens, for example like this, and with the target which will be around this one area, and also this one like this, when the bearish breakout has been formed on the chart with the target here or any other levels, feel free to join the Telegram group where I share it with traders whenever this breakout happens with the target levels. That's all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.